So anyway, what we have right now is the Edubook, and we're running Linux. Lekan, since you've been working on this, what Linux is this?
This is WattOS.
Okay, and wattoS is based on?
Ubuntu 9.04.
Okay, so anyway, what features, I want to know, first of all, is Wi-Fi working?
Yeah, Wi-Fi is working. As you can see from here, we're connected to the wireless.
Okay.
These are the two access points visible here. Then we have the LAN interface here also that you can plug your
Okay, can you bring up a website now? Show us.
Okay.
And then while you're doing that, how about sound? Is sound working?
Yeah, sound is working okay too. We're using Alpha coming. We have two browsers here. One is Firefox and one is Midora.
Okay. And Midora is?
Midora is also a browser based on WebKit, and it's
same as Safari, right?
Yeah, something like Safari and all of those things.
Have you tried Midora using any Apple web apps?
Not yet, not yet.
Okay.
Just this is Midora, and
Okay.
it comes out pretty fast.
So it's very fast, right?
Yeah, very fast. So for netbooks, it might be advisable that people use Midora if you are not doing any serious stuff.
Okay. So this Midora is what you would find on some basically lower end web pads and things like that, right?
Yeah.
So anyway, we can show here that the resolution is quite good on the screen. This is now let's get some updates. First of all, the Edubook is now shipping on September the 20th. We've been shipping prototypes out for developers. We have Windows XP up and running fine. We have several Linuxes. We have wattoS, Puppy Linux. We have Ubuntu, Edubuntu, Debian.
Yeah.
But we've all been focusing on this particular Ubuntu version because it has access to all the Ubuntu repositories, and it looks good and it runs very, very fast. I see that you've added a whole bunch of stuff to it. This looks a lot bulkier than what we had originally.
What we had originally, yeah. Because now we had to add a multimedia codecs for it to be able to play video, audio. We added some multimedia, multimedia stuffs like pulse audio for people who might want to use. We have VLC. We have multiple video player, multiple audio players, so that people can have choices as to what they want to use. This is Excel MP3 player.
Yes.
And this is playing.
This is also a radio tuner, right? So you can go in and then just play radio stations, right?
Yes, yeah.
So somebody could hook the Edubook up to a pair of speakers and just use it as a radio with this program, right?
Yes, yes.
And play in the background while you're doing this. So
yeah.
How about AbiWord? Can you bring that up?
This is AbiWord.
So AbiWord is pretty much a clone of Microsoft Word. If users want to put OpenOffice on, they can do that. We felt that maybe, given that this is a lightweight machine, that AbiWord might be the better choice.
Yeah, because it's lighter, and even for OpenOffice, it's lighter than OpenOffice. So when we're talking of netbooks like this, it would be better to have something like this. This is AbiWord. I can show.
Okay, so in other words, there's no lag at all when you're typing, right?
Nope.
No lag, very, very
No
fast.
lag, yeah,
and then, of course, we have Gnumeric spreadsheet, right?
Yeah, do we have Gnumeric ready? Okay, yeah, we have Gnumeric. We have AbiWord and Gnumeric.
So spreadsheet. And that we have, and like I said, we can add OpenOffice, but this will be faster. And then what about presentations?
Presentations, by default, we don't have, okay, no, close without saving. By default, we don't have presentation added, but we can actually add because we have access to the Ubuntu repository.
Okay.
So all you need to do is just.
I thought you'd added Impress.
That's on the previous one.
Oh, okay. So,
yeah.
But if the users want to use presentations, they can of course use Wine and use the PowerPoint viewer, or And you had wine on this. Wine's not on here right now.
Yeah, it's not here. This is a clean.
But because we're using the Ubuntu repositories, we've got all that.
Access to that. So you just come to System Tools, go to Synaptics Package Manager, and you can install as much as you
all
want.
the software gets downloaded for free.
Yes, yeah.
So we're seeing we have the browser, the spreadsheet, the word processor, email. I think it comes with clause, right?
Yeah, it has a clause as email.
And clause is very much like Thunderbird. And of course, people can use the live web-based mail tools like Gmail
and all of those.
Hotmail and all of those. But we have clause, which supports both IMAP. The major thing here that we want to point out is that this is far more powerful than a smartphone. You can connect it to a smartphone if you want to.
Yeah.
We have Wi-Fi built in. So as configured, right now you have, 8 gigabytes in here?
I have 4 gigabytes now.
Oh, you only have 4, but we're going to ship it with 8.
8 gig, yeah, eventually. So this is Synaptics.
Okay, so Synaptics is how you load your programs.
Yes, so you can just search for any application.
And also update, keep your machine updated.
Updated all the time.
Okay, and we have contacted the developer of Watts, and we're going to work in conjunction with him to make sure that everything that he does gets incorporated in this. Okay, so here's your the spreadsheet.
Yeah, this is the spreadsheet.
And it's compatible with Microsoft Excel.
Yeah. So this is working okay.
And we're playing music in the background, and it's not skipping at all. Okay, well, Lincoln, I want to thank you for your work on the Edubook.
You're welcome.
All right, and Lincoln has been working on this, and he's gotten Puppy to work. And in fact, Lincoln, you did the Puppy for the SX, right?
Yeah, for the Junior SX.
Okay, so he's going to be helping us out, making sure that we have the best Linux possible. Quite frankly, after playing with XP and Linux on the Edubook, I find this is quite good. I mean, it runs Linux faster than my laptop runs Windows.
Yeah, this so far so good. Of all the Linux distributions we've tested on the Edubook, this has been the fastest, as in terms of response, in terms of stability and everything. It's been very good.
Okay, well,
very good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.